Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video, I will guide you through time management worksheets. What is a time management worksheet? Time management is allocating one's time and resources efficiently to achieve specific objectives. With good time management, individuals can avoid the stress of rushing to finish tasks at the last minute and ensure that all their work, whether it's for their job, studies, or personal projects, is done to the highest standard. It involves planning and organising your daily activities to increase productivity, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and reduce the likelihood of stress and burnout. A time management worksheet can help individuals organise their tasks, prioritise them, and keep track of their progress. It can also be used as part of goal-setting sessions to motivate people to achieve their personal or professional objectives more quickly. This worksheet can be used by life coaches, personal trainers, productivity experts, and anyone who works with individuals who want to improve their time management skills. It can be used as part of a regular coaching program or to help someone struggling with time management. To use our free time management worksheet, follow these steps. Download our time management worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain to your client how the template works and help them understand the importance of time management. Show them examples of how it can be used to plan their day, week, or month. Encourage your client to fill out the time management worksheet with all their tasks and prioritize them in order of importance. This will help them stay organized and keep track of their progress. Review the template together with your client and discuss any areas they need to improve upon, such as setting realistic goals or better time management techniques. After reviewing the worksheet, devise a plan of action to help your client improve their time management. Revisit the worksheet periodically and adjust as needed. Here is a sample of our time management worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our time management worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click in our template section. We have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.